Hey everyone! Everything I'm going to show you in this video has been checked and tested by professional mechanics here in the shop, so relax, we're almost there. If your VW shows the key not in range message, don't panic. What the car is basically saying is, I can't hear your key, so I won't let you start until I'm sure. And yes, sometimes the key is right in your pocket and the message still appears, which makes it extra annoying. The first thing most mechanics point to is the fob battery. It might seem obvious, but in many cases, replacing it with a new, good quality battery solves the problem. Some report that cheap or old batteries can test fine with a multimeter, but don't have enough power for the car to detect the signal. If changing the battery doesn't work, the next trick many mechanics recommend is placing the fob directly on the start button or near the steering column. This is because the antenna that detects the key can lose sensitivity over time, and putting the fob right on the sensor helps the car see it properly. Another common factor is interference from other keys or electronic devices. Some mechanics discovered that having a second fob inside or near the car could confuse the system, and removing it made the message disappear. If none of that works, the problem could be the keyless or KESI system antenna. Some VW models have antennas under the rear seat or near the bumper, and if they're disconnected, damaged, or wet, the car simply won't feel the key even if it's inside. In these cases, many mechanics recommend checking or replacing the antenna. In more stubborn cases, when the battery is good and the antenna works, the fob may have lost synchronization with the car. This can happen if the fob was dead for a long time or if the battery was replaced. The solution is to reprogram or resync the key, either following manual steps for certain models or using a professional scanner at the dealership. Finally, there are cases where the issue is with the control module or immobilizer. This usually happens in older VWs or cars with high mileage, and even a new fob won't fix the error. In these situations, only a professional diagnosis and sometimes replacing or reprogramming the module will solve the problem for good.